Make sure to like the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. Language Translator Web App. This is a translator web app which is capable of translating most of world languages. Now let's check it out. It's very easy to use. Just write the word or sentence you want to translate on the Enter Text section, then select your language and also select the language you want to translate it to. There is a lot of languages to translate. Once done, click on Translate Text and your text will be translated to the target language in a second. You can also click the speaker button to speak your text. You can do it for both languages.
Hello.
Click on this button to copy the text, and also you can do it for both languages. Now let's see how to build it. There we have our translator folder. Inside there is 4 files which I talk about each one in a moment. The first file is index.html, there is our app structure. Everything is inside the container div, we have text area for input, the list and icons for button. We also included our 2 JavaScript files here and also the style.css file. Now let's check the style.css, there we imported the Google font and give design for each element, we also add media max width to make our web app mobile responsive. Then there is our folder JS, inside it we have 2 files. The countries.js which stored all the country names with its ISO language code table. The second and most important file is script.js which does everything for us. First of all, we store all the elements data by using query selector. After selecting the select we use for each to insert all those languages name from our countries.js file into the select element. We use insert adjacent HTML to preview them all. This is the event listener for our exchange icon. Whenever we press it, it reverses our action. This is the from text event listener which once the key is up, if there is no text we change the to text value to nothing. This is the most important section where we used an event listener for our translate button once clicked. It gets the text from the input section, the language selected and the language translate to, and send those information to the API and receives the response information, translated text, back and put that data into translation. This is the API website which we used in this app. You can read the documentation for more information. Now let me show you how it works. This is our API URL, which after the get there is our text which we want to translate, and after that we have lang pair which means language pair, and the first one is the language we want it to translate from and the second one is the language we want it to be translated into. We need write the ISO table language code for our languages in the API URL, so let's do it and see how it works. For example, here I want to translate hello to German. So I change the values as desired and enter the URL. As you can see, our hello is translated to German and this is the data our app gets back, which is really easy to use. This is the last section for icons. Here we used for each, and inside that we used click event listener for our icon. Whenever clicks the copy icon, it copies the input or translated text depend on which copy icon you clicks. We also can speech the input or the translated text in voice by using this block of code. That's all my friends, I hope you learned something, and if you like this video and want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, have a great time.